Hey guys, Trenton here. So today I'm going to tell you what a night latch is, why it's called that, how to make one, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you the raccoon that I caught. A night latch is a foothold trap trigger modification designed to make the trigger more sensitive and to easily allow its setting of a hair trigger. People think the reason that it is called a night latch is because when trappers used to want a level pan or a sensitive trigger when setting their traps at night, it would be easy to tell by this distinctive click. Night latching your trap is as easy as getting you a file, a trap, and making sure your file is completely straight and just taking a couple long strokes with your file. And then you should have your night latch. Hey guys, Trenton here. So, just want to cut in real quick and say, had another video I was going to upload, had to scrap it because wasn't holding the phone right. So yeah, here's the footage of me letting this little raccoon I caught go.
So yeah, about to let him go. And there he goes. And he's gone.
So yeah,
Alright.
Hope you guys liked the video. And as you know, my name's Trenton. I hope you had a blessed day. And I'll see you next time. Bye.